are new to the Eat Your Way to Fit lifestyle, it is eat your way. Repeat after me. I am Lisa. You say your name. I am eat my way. So the meal plan is just a sample for you to then take those tools, take that meal plan, take that food list, and then eat however your heart desires. If you want to eat 10 meals per day, you eat 10 meals per day. If you want to eat 5 meals, 6 meals, 7 meals, 8 meals, 92, half an hour, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you eat the food that's only on the list. If the food is not on the list, it is your mind, your choices, your decision, you, that's it. This entire lifestyle is your responsibility, your choice, your desire, your way, you, and nothing but you. So help you chicken. I can't make you do it. I can't force you to do it. I can't do anything. I am on this side. You are on that side. You can't change your children. I can't change my children. We can't change each other. We can't change our husbands. We can't change anything. The only thing we can change is between your ears. So if you ever question, can I? Yes. The answer is always going to be yes. I'm never going to tell you what you can and cannot do because I have no idea how your body is going to respond to the thing that you want. If you want to have pizza on a Tuesday, that is up to you to eat the pizza on a Tuesday and then find out how your body does. So take my tools, because the list that I gave you is 150% the best healthy, low inflammation, best for diabetic person, okay? And then anything outside of that is really your choice. I'm never going to tell you not to do something because you have to be the one to follow the yellow brick road and see where it takes you and see how you do. So there's really only 2 things to do. It's do my workouts and follow the meal plan. That's it. Do my workouts. However long, however short, it doesn't matter. Move your freaking ass with dumbbells in hands and follow the meal plan. Okay? The best way to start is if you follow my meal plan the way it is designed to the T, to make sure you focus on how to do something. That's kind of how I like to train my clients, is because you're not going to want to eat what's on there. And that's why I'm trying to make you to do it, because you should focus on eating the meal plan just so you learn how to start meal planning for yourself and how to start doing this lifestyle for yourself. But that's the best way to start. Because when I started this exact same program 5 years ago, no one gave me an ebook. No one gave me a food list. No one gave me nothing. No one fucking even talked to me. Nothing. I was given a piece of paper with a meal plan, and that's it. And I was told, have a good day. I didn't even have to check in every single week. I didn't have to set goals. I didn't have to do anything. All I had to do is figure out how to not give up on myself. So I became a certified personal trainer, certified nutrition coach. I specialize in hormones, and then I made that become a lifestyle for every single person. Does that make sense? If you have joined the Eat Your Way to Fit group, the other thing you really want to do that I did when I first started is I used Facebook as my accountability. Now you're in the Eat Your Way to Fit group. You want to engage. You want to talk to the girls who have been successful. You want to ask you questions. You want to do everything that you are uncomfortable doing. If you are not uncomfortable, then you're not doing it right. If you are overwhelmed, then you are overwhelming yourself, because it's really, really, really simple. I often forget, what am I supposed to eat? I am constantly forgetting everything. And so I made Eat Your Way to Fit every single lifestyle, because it's not a diet, it is a lifestyle. And so I'm giving you all the tools. I made it super duper easy. And if it's not easy for you, then you are just literally overwhelming yourself, because maybe you're a perfectionist, or you feel overwhelmed because no one in your household is supporting your lifestyle. Because you're gonna work out with me every day, you're gonna want my bands, okay? So I use these bands for back, okay? Here's like an example. So just remember what I said. It's you against you. It's Eat Your Way to Fit. If you want to have pizza, you can have pizza, but then you need to learn how your body does. You might want to get on a scale every single day to learn, but also know that the scale does not define you. At the end of the day, you have to follow the meal plan and work out with weights. That's it. And not give up. It's going to be hard, and you just have to push through the mental hardness and just keep going, okay? So that's really all it is. If you're in your head, you're in your head. If you think this is hard, good. Laundry is hard, washing dishes is hard. I don't want to do anything, but if we work out, you feel so much better. So don't just look for my support. Look for the girls in the group to also support you, because Jamie lost 70, 80 pounds. Eve is in freaking England with 4 kids living on a farm. She lost 80 pounds. There's lots of successful girls in the group, so don't forget that.